Little 6-0. Ready? Okay, ready?
There he is.
Oh, what I'm looking for now, dude, is the thing.
Isn't it up there? I don't know if we're supposed to do that. He doesn't give a shit. He doesn't care. You know bro BD, he's always getting those tickets.
Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bro VD. Hope you guys are having a great week. This is my first time ever doing a collab on this channel. So if you guys want to see more collabs, definitely let me know down in the comments. I just pulled out here with the homie Steezy. Just got done doing my first interview.
Yep, guys, boy killed it.
The local here in Arizona. He's also into YouTube. Make sure you guys go and give him a follow. I'll link his YouTube down below for you guys. E46 right now. Yeah. He does have a 335 as well.
Yeah, full bolt-ons, completely wrapped. You guys should definitely check it out.
Yeah, make sure you guys definitely go show him some love. Let him know Bro VD sent you guys, and yeah, go ahead and check out this channel, guys.
Check out the full video too. It's gonna be probably the time this video is dropping. The full video will be on my channel. You guys can see his beauty rolling and dope at it.
I'm gonna be doing an interview on his Beamer as well, the 335i. I'm sure you guys sent 2 for that. But yeah, we're about on my about right now. Hit up a different location, get some rollers and whatnot. So yeah, I'll pick it up right now, guys. Get a quick little pump right now. I got the boy Angel right here. What's goody? Eric pulled up. Got the homie Steezy. Yo, make sure you guys go check out his channel. He's gonna have the full video over on his YouTube channel. Like I said, I'll link it down below for you guys.
She's dirty, no photography.
Hey, it's still a Supra. Where's the what at?
Toilet.
Why?
I gotta piss.
Oh, it's right there.
They're sighting for the full final saca la bolsita. This fool cuco's on a sick one.
What, did you hit glutes? You hit legs? We're about to install this SPC Performance camber arms, toe arms. It's a whole camber kit here we're gonna install for the rear. It should be super simple, super easy. That's what we always say, but always isn't the case. So let's just say 30 to an hour, hour and a half, worst case scenario. So
Also, it's 112.
we'll pick it up once we're done.
And make sure you have boba.
All right, let's get it.
You can see how much of the tire has actually been shaved off.
Yeah, the tire wall right there.
Yeah.
And all that has been from, you know, obviously having the rubbing issue, which we took care of. You know, we got the rollers for the fenders rolled, guys, as you guys saw in the last video. And what I did as well is, I don't know if you guys saw, but it was getting burnt right here, the fender. So I just went ahead and bought some weather stripping, and I just added that on the fender, so that looks really good now. You can't even tell. That cop was stalking me for the past 20 minutes. He's finally outie though, so we can finally head up on out of here. We just got done eating some food, guys. We got some ramen noodles with my boy Kevin and Joseph. We're gonna go and go with the homie Eric right now, do a little photo shoot, and then after the photo shoot, probably head over to a car meet. So yeah, let's get it. Who's man's? So it's finally getting cooler out here in AZ, so just expect more racing videos now on my channel. We lit. It's finally boost season, so yeah. Boy, if you don't, Monica.
Bro, what the
What?
Bro, my fog's gone.
Where's your fog light at?
Bro, what?
Oh!
Hey, somebody needed a light.
luxury boy, you got a muscle car, you got an import car. Who came up on your fog light?
I don't know, bro. I didn't.
After this, we're gonna pull up to a car meet, and I'll show you guys some sick cars over there at the car meet. So yeah, I'll put some pictures up here right now of the St. Louis shoot we did.
Laser flip.
Hell no, I'm gonna bust my nuts. I'm gonna pop the stick myself.
At least you're wearing Vans. Oh, you're pushing Mongo. You push Mong.
And?
Oh, now you're pushing Reg. He said, hold on, let me take off my goggles. The car is sitting in the background, the Q60, the Challenger, and the Supra while these guys are wrestling over here. Oh, the takedown with the takedown. Ah, oh, TMZ here, TMZ, TMZ.
Swear.
Oh, and his nose is bleeding. I just got unmonetized.
Smoke too much.
Yeah, guys, we just pulled up to the car meet, and it's actually pretty dead. There's like not a lot of cars here. I'll show you guys right now. I'll walk around, show you guys a couple cars. Yo, the watch is pulled up with it. This is pretty cool right here, the little track pack. The 240 is pretty cool as well.
I got you.
I gotta zoom into this guy's face. There you go. La mamalonas. You already know we got the K. The tacuache K. The no quema K. Say it.
Tacuache.
Say it.
No care, my kid.
Got the VQs right here, guys. You already know. Little 6-year-old.